Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdn printer step by step. By the end of this guide, your printer will be fully ready for printing, scanning, copying, and network use. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Remove all protective tapes, plastic covers, foam packing materials, and documentation from inside the scanner lid. Place the printer on a flat and stable surface near your router or computer. Step 2. Now, connect the power cable to the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. On the control panel, select your preferred language, country, or region, then continue to the next step. Step 3. Pull out the paper tray from the front. Adjust the paper width guides. Insert A4 paper properly into the tray. If you are using paper larger than A4, pull the tray extension latch from the back to extend tray 2 slightly. Push the tray back into the printer securely. Step 4. Now, connect the Ethernet cable. Insert one end into the printer's Ethernet port. Connect the other end to your router or network switch. On the printer control panel, press OK to confirm the IP address. Follow the on-screen instructions until the home screen appears. Ethernet connection is recommended for office or multi-user environments. Step 5. Alternative USB connection, optional. If you are setting up the printer for a single computer, connect a USB cable from the printer to your computer. Follow the instructions shown on the printer display until setup completes. Step 6. Now, open your computer browser. Go to hpsmart.com/download. Download the latest HP Smart software. Install the software. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once installation finishes, your printer setup will be complete. Step 7. Open the HP Smart app. Select your printer, click Print Documents or Print Photos, print a test page. If the page prints successfully, congratulations! Your HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdn printer setup is complete. And next, troubleshooting tips. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer. Restart your router. Make sure your computer is connected to the same network. Then reopen HP Smart app and try again. This solves most setup problems quickly. And that's how you set up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101fdn printer step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you still need help with installation or troubleshooting, contact our printer support team anytime. We're happy to help you. Thanks for watching.